Hi and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training, we will be learning about enumerations. Enumerations or enums allow a developer to define a custom type that is limited to one of a discrete number of possible values. That can be especially helpful when defining a domain model as it enables making invalid states unrepresentable. Enums appear in many languages with a variety of different features. In PHP, enums are a special kind of object. The enum itself is a class and its possible cases are all single instance object of that class. That means enum cases are valid objects and may be used anywhere an object may be used, including type checks. The most popular example of enumerations is the built-in Boolean type, which is an enumerated type with legal values true and false. Enums allows developers to define their own arbitrarily robust enumerations. So we have an example here. Instead of defining constant, I'm defining enum type suit, and in the suit block I'm defining four types of values, that hearts, diamonds, clubs and spades. Then I have a function that says pick a card, and this function accepts only suit type variables, and if I pass in uh, a string or any other type, it will throw a syntax error. Then I have a value 1, and I am setting to suit colon diamonds, and this is being stored in val. Then I have val2, and suit clubs is stored in val2. Then I'm calling pick a card val, and then I'm setting pick a card suit clubs. So these both are valid cases. If I try to push in a string like this here, I hope you can see my screen, and if I run this program, it throws an error at line 10 because I'm trying to pass in a string. If I comment it and run it again, now it's fine. And to print out the name of a diamonds, you just need to pass in the name property suit diamonds name. So if I want to print out the name of spades, I just need to say it's spades and name and eval, and there you go. So basically you can use constants, you can use enum instead of a set of constant and get validation out of the box. This is a new feature and you might start using it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. Just put an S at the end and you will get to the URL. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thank you.